will praise you, O Lord, with my whole heart. I will tell of all your marvelous works. Though an army may encamp against me, my heart shall not fear. Though war may rise against me, in this I will be confident. You have heard that it was said to those of old, you shall not commit adultery. But I say to you that whoever looks at a woman to lust for her has already committed adultery with her in his heart. Teach me your way, O Lord, I will walk in your truth. Unite my heart to fear your name. Behold, this day I am going the way of all the earth. And you know in all your hearts and in all your souls that not one thing has failed of all the good things which the Lord your God spoke concerning you. All have come to pass for you, not one word of them has failed. He only is my rock and my salvation, he is my defense, I shall not be moved. The statutes of the Lord are right, rejoicing the heart. The commandment of the Lord is pure, enlightening the eyes.